Hello everyone. Welcome back to Gohar non-streaming media, the place where we talk about streaming tech, digital advertising, and content strategy in the OTT era. Today, I'm bringing in a concept that might sound a little technical, but it's incredibly important for anyone working in marketing for television, OTT, or live streaming. Dynamic ad insertion, also known as DAI. Sounds a bit backendy, right? But don't worry, I'm a backend guy who's still obsessed with content strategy. I'll explain it super clearly with real life examples, no jargon. Now, imagine this. You're lying on the couch watching a romantic movie on your smart TV. It's the moment when the main characters are confessing their love under the rain. You're totally immersed. Suddenly, an ad pops up. But it's not one of those irrelevant stomach medicine commercials. It's an ad for the exact toothpaste brand you searched for on Shopee yesterday. Same brand, same type, and even the buy two, get one free deal. You're like, wait, how did it know? Another scene. You're watching a live concert stream. Your favorite singer is rocking it. Then a tiny button appears at the bottom of the screen. Get your exclusive concert tickets, only 5 minutes left. You tap it once, buy the ticket, without leaving the app, no browser tabs, no logging in. It all happens inside the video, right in that moment when you're most excited. Sounds like magic. Not really. That's DAI, dynamic ad insertion, a real time ad insertion tech that shows the right ad to the right person at the right time. Put simply, personalized advertising for the streaming era, where every viewer gets a custom experience that still feels natural. Alright, let's dive into the main topic. What exactly is DAI? DAI stands for Dynamic Ad Insertion. It's a technology that allows ads to be inserted into live streams or on demand videos, VOD, in a smart, flexible, and personalized way. Unlike the traditional method where ads are pre embedded into the video, DAI selects the right ad dynamically while the viewer is watching. There are two main types of DAI. Let me break it down for you. One, SSAI, server side ad insertion. This type injects ads from the server side. The video and ads are stitched into one single stream on the back end and then sent to the viewer. It plays smoothly. The ad just shows up, no tab switches, no breaks. It's like getting a perfectly wrapped gift. You don't know what's inside, but it looks clean and seamless. 2CSAI, client-side ad insertion. This one lets the player, like your OTT app or browser, fetch the ad directly and insert it during playback. It feels a lot like watching YouTube. The video pauses, loads the ad, then resumes. Great for deeper personalization, but if your connection's weak or tracking fails, it can interrupt the experience. What both have in common? Ads are selected and delivered in real time, tailored to each person, behavior, and context. Here's a relatable example. You're a new mom watching morning videos. Dai might show you baby formula or educational toys. Me, I'm a techie watching late night sci fi, and I get ads for high speed SSDs or AI programming courses. Same video, totally different ads. Okay, let's speak directly to the marketers, ad folks, and content managers out there. Until now, TV advertising has always been mass paced, a one size fits all approach. I call it the spray and pray method. Everyone gets the same ad, no matter who they are or what they're doing. So, what's the problem? Gen Z viewers who love gaming or TikTok, they'll skip right past a 30-second dish soap commercial. Meanwhile, a mom looking into organic food, she won't care for a blazing MOBA game trailer. And worst of all, people are skipping ads more than ever. They mute, skip, or even pay to avoid them. We're living in a time where viewers want personalized experiences. Marketers need precise data. Everyone wants better ROI with higher conversions. This is where DAI makes a real difference. With DAI, you, the marketer, can deliver ads based on viewer behavior, accurately track views, clicks, and purchases, personalize ad content for each audience. Honestly, if you work for a broadcaster, a media house, or a major brand, DAI is a game changer for the OTT age. It helps you sell, but more importantly, it helps you keep your viewers in a world where audiences have endless choices. Let's now walk through how DAI works, a step by step technical diagram to show what happens from the moment a viewer presses play to when a personalized ad seamlessly appears on screen. One original video, live stream, or VOD, it starts with the content, a live sports stream, a TV show, or an on demand video. But to insert ads properly, you can't just send the raw stream. You need to add metadata so the system understands it. 2. Adding metadata, SCTE 35 markers. Inside the video stream, producers embed metadata tags, specifically SCTE 35 signals. Think of it like placing bookmarks in a book. These tags mark exactly where ads should go. 3-player reads the metadata. When the viewer hits play, the player detects those SCTE 35 tags in the stream. When the time comes, the player pauses the content and waits for an ad response. 4 ad decision server picks the right ad. Now the ad decision server, ADS, kicks in, the brain of the ad system. It analyzes who's watching, their location, device, viewing habits, time of day, then selects the most relevant ad. 5. Stitching the ad into the stream. The ad is stitched into the video stream in real time. If done right, the viewer won't notice any lag or glitch. 6. Tracking viewer behavior. After the ad plays, we need data. Did they watch it? How long? Did they click? Did it lead to a purchase or conversion? Summary. 3 elements must work in sync. DPT. Content with ad markers, viewer data to personalize, technology, fast, accurate, secure. When all 3 align, the result is beautiful. Ads that appear naturally right when they are needed. That's the real power of dynamic ad insertion. A lot of major players have already jumped in. Amazon Prime serves ads based on your shopping behavior. Hotstar shows different ads for the same content depending on where you live, used in the IPL, Vion, VTV Cab, On. Even in Vietnam, some broadcasters are experimenting with DAI already. DAI isn't just the future, it's happening now. And those who move fast will gain the most. This is actually my favorite part because my real job isn't making videos. It's building the backend for the Sigma DAI system. When you work behind the scenes, you notice things that viewers never do. Every time someone clicks play, here's what really happens. The system sends out dozens of instant requests. Someone's watching. Who are they? What device? Where are they? What's playing? Is this an ad insertable moment? Have they seen this ad before? Within milliseconds, the backend checks the user profile, calls the ad decision engine, syncs and inserts the correct ad, tracks the impression, duration, and post-ad behavior. And all this happens invisibly. The viewer just sees a smooth stream, unaware of the orchestration backstage. But for us, it's like a symphony. Every backend service playing in sync at the exact right time. And for marketers and content distributors, they see the full picture. Who watched, how long, what they clicked, what they skipped, what converted. DAI isn't just ad placement. It's a sophisticated system connecting user data, real-time logic, and seamless delivery. That's what I find so beautiful about DAI's silent, invisible, but incredibly powerful. So, today we've explored a concept that may have seemed complicated in there, but turned out to be absolutely fascinating: dynamic ad insertion. If you're working in broadcasting, OTT, or digital media, DAI is your key to a new era of personalized, high performing advertising that people don't want to skip. If you'd like me to create a demo video showing how DAI integration works or walk through a real world use case, leave a comment or send me a message. And don't forget, hit subscribe, turn on the bell. I've got more videos coming on. Interactive ads, SSAI versus CSAI, fast channels. All top tier topics for media pros, broadcasters, and OTT marketers.